The ocean, vast and seemingly boundless, is in danger. For centuries we treated it as a limitless dumping ground, assuming its sheer size could absorb our waste. Today we see the consequences of this misconception. Our ocean, the lifeblood of our planet, is choking on pollution. From coastlines to the deepest trenches, plastic waste is a ubiquitous sight. Chemicals from industrial runoff and agricultural practices poison marine life and disrupt delicate ecosystems. We are witnessing a crisis of our own making, a blue emergency demanding immediate action. The enemies of our ocean are many, each leaving its mark on the marine environment. Plastic in its various forms is perhaps the most visible offender. Single-use plastics, from bags to bottles, choke our waterways, break down into microplastics, and enter the food chain, impacting marine life and ultimately us. However, the threat extends beyond what we can easily see. Industrial discharge releases a cocktail of harmful chemicals into our waters. Pesticides and fertilizers from agriculture find their way into rivers and streams, eventually flowing into the ocean, wreaking havoc on delicate marine ecosystems. Marine animals are the silent sufferers in this unfolding tragedy. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, ingesting them with fatal consequences. Seabirds feed plastic debris to their chicks, their stomachs filled with indigestible materials leading to starvation. Coral reefs, vibrant underwater cities, bleach and die as water temperatures rise and pollution increases. Entire ecosystems, finely balanced over millennia, are collapsing, threatening the biodiversity of our oceans. The impact of ocean pollution extends far beyond the marine environment, directly affecting human communities. Coastal communities reliant on fishing face dwindling catches as fish stocks decline due to pollution and habitat destruction. Contaminated seafood poses a serious threat to human health, with heavy metals and chemicals accumulating in the food chain. The very livelihoods and well-being of millions of people are intertwined with the health of our oceans. Section 5. Turning the Tide: Initiatives for a Cleaner Ocean. Despite the grim reality, there is a glimmer of hope. Around the globe, individuals, organizations, and innovators are stepping up to turn the tide against ocean pollution. The Ocean Cleanup Project, with its innovative technologies, is actively removing plastic from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, demonstrating that large-scale cleanup is possible. Researchers and entrepreneurs are developing biodegradable alternatives to traditional plastics, offering a sustainable path forward. From ocean-friendly packaging to innovative waste management solutions, the quest for a cleaner ocean is gaining momentum. Section 6. Small actions, big impact. What individuals can do. Each one of us has a role to play in this fight. Simple actions can have a significant impact. By reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, choosing sustainable alternatives, and supporting businesses committed to environmental responsibility, we can each contribute to a cleaner ocean. Participating in beach cleanups, supporting organizations dedicated to ocean conservation, and educating others about the importance of marine protection are all meaningful actions within our reach. Every piece of plastic removed, every voice raised, makes a difference. Section 7. Global Challenge, Global Action, the Role of Governments. Addressing a global challenge like ocean pollution requires coordinated action at a global scale. Governments play a crucial role in enacting and enforcing legislation to reduce pollution at its source. This includes regulating industrial discharge, banning single-use plastics, and investing in sustainable waste management infrastructure. Furthermore, governments can support research and innovation in areas like biodegradable materials and ocean cleanup technologies. International cooperation is essential to address transboundary pollution, ensuring that efforts in one part of the world are not undone by inaction elsewhere. Section 8. A Wave of Change, International Collaboration for Ocean Health. The fight for a clean ocean transcends borders, necessitating collaboration on an international scale. Sharing knowledge, technologies, and resources is crucial to tackling this global challenge effectively. International agreements and partnerships can establish common goals, share the responsibility, and hold all nations accountable for their environmental impact. By working together, sharing best practices, and supporting developing nations in their efforts, we can create a global movement for a healthy ocean. Section 9, A Brighter Blue Towards a Future of Hope. The task before us is daunting but not insurmountable. There is hope. Awareness of the ocean pollution crisis is growing, and with it, a wave of action. From individual actions to global initiatives, we are witnessing a collective awakening to the urgency of the situation. The future of our oceans depends on the choices we make today. By embracing innovation, promoting sustainability, and working together, we can restore health to our oceans and ensure a brighter future for all. The time for action is now, for the sake of our oceans, our planet, and generations to come.